Hi, my name is Samuel Cortez. I am from Mexicali, Baja California, Mexico. I have a BA in political science from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, which is probably the top school in the Cal State system. I also have a secondary teaching credential in social studies. So I taught high school for a few years. I have a master's in geography from San Diego State and PhD work in geography from the joint doctoral program at San Diego State University and UC Santa Barbara. As I mentioned, I have been a high school and middle school teacher, teaching social sciences, social studies. And for about 15 years, I was the director of a program called Upward Bound, both at Cal Poly and at San Diego State University. I have been a professor, and I'm currently a professor at San Diego State, Maricosta College in Oceanside, City College, Southwestern College, and Mesa College. I have traveled to some of the following places, among others. In Mexico, I've been to many places. Of course, I was born there in Mexicali at the border. And I lived in Mexico City for in Mexico City and Michoacan when I was little. I actually attended kindergarten and my first year of elementary in a place called Zitácuaro, Michoacan. I've been to Jamaica many times. Been to pretty much all over Canada, United Kingdom, and London, largely around London. I've been to Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, both the British Virgin Islands, American Virgin Islands, and many other Caribbean islands, such as Guadeloupe, St. Lucia. And in the US, I've been to every state in the country except about five Midwestern states. My bucket list for places to travel. I would love to travel to by train around across China, or I would love to navigate the Yangtze River that quick crosses China as well. Another thing that I would love to do is go across Russia via the Trans-Siberian train, which starts in Vladivostok on the in the eastern part of Russia, all the way out to Moscow in the European part of Russia. Some quirky, I guess, about me. I can speak and understand Jamaican patois. I love Jamaican culture, especially the music, the reggae music. And what a one. Talk to you later. Looking forward to meeting you all.